It's Tip Tuesday, people, and I have a treat for you. We're gonna line our baking tray with parchment paper. And so I just take a piece of parchment paper, I measure approximately the right size, give ourselves a slice, give ourselves a slice, and then here's the problem. I put my parchment paper on. Damn it. There's an issue, people, and I have a tip for you so that it will never be an issue again. This is one of the greatest tricks I ever learned. It works with saran wrap and parchment paper and tin foil and wax paper. We are going to go over to our sink. We're going to take our hand and wet it, and then we are going to spritz our tray and splatter it with water all over. And our tray is going to look like a tray with splattered water on it. At which point we're going to take our parchment paper and we're going to unroll it and we're going to stick it to our watered down tray. And wah frickin' la, the parchment paper like magic will stick. I mean, call David Blaine, he could not have done a better job of sticking parchment paper to that tray.